Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about what we have to offer. A few years ago, a friend of mine went on a bread making course over a weekend. This was something that his wife paid for him to do as a 40th birthday present. And during that course, he learned how to make sourdough bread. And over the course of the lockdown, he got really into doing this and got really good at baking sourdough bread. This morning I had to pop round to my friend's house to drop off something that I'd borrowed from him. And while I was there, he gifted me a loaf of sourdough bread that he'd just finished baking. And I said, "Wow, is this the stuff that you learned to make on the course?" And he smiled and said, "Yeah, the gift that keeps on giving." If you describe something as a gift or the gift that keeps on giving, you mean it's something that continues to have a positive benefit. It continues to have a payoff a long time after you first buy it or after it first comes into your life. It might be used, for example, if you have a video of a colleague of yours making an idiot of themselves at a party or on the dance floor, and you keep this video and you wheel it out every now and then so that all of you and your colleagues can have a good laugh at your friend's expense. The video is the gift that keeps on giving. Maybe learning to play a musical instrument. Maybe some of you were forced to learn piano or guitar or something when you were a kid, but now you're glad you have this talent because being able to play a musical instrument, it's a gift that keeps on giving. You get a lot out of it yourself and you give a lot of pleasure to other people at the same time. One more example, it can also be used ironically to mean something that keeps on giving you problems or trouble. So, as we're facing another week of fuel crisis here in the UK, and as our government refuses to accept it has anything to do with Brexit, lots of us are rolling our eyes and saying, Brexit, the gift that keeps on giving. Meaning it's a problem which keeps on providing more and more and more problems for all of us. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It'll help more people to see it. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of things that you would describe as a gift that keeps on giving. The gift that keeps on giving.